Welcome back, guys. So another one that I wanted to unbox on this video is the Majorette Nissan GT-R in purple. That is wow. The shiny in this paint. That is awesome. Details on it. Doors are firm, really firm. See the details inside. It's like automatic. Yeah, it's like it. The paint job on this is awesome. Really, really, really awesome. Yeah, I really like it. Brakes. What's the problem with the brakes? Oh no. Must be in. I don't know if it's rubber wheel. Maybe. I don't know why it says made in Thailand, but there's an inscription of Germany there. Maybe some of you knows what does it mean. It's made in Thailand, but it says Germany there. I don't know. It's really nice. Let's close that. No, it doesn't seem to. It's not closing. I don't know. Let me see the hood there, the edge. The doors are okay, but with the hood, there's some problem with the hood here. I know it's. Well, nothing's perfect, huh? Let's put that in on the turntable. Get you out of there. There we go. Okay. So, a nice GT-R. Yeah, really nice. I really like the wheels, the paint job. Too bad for the hood. Doesn't seem to fit well there. Doesn't close. No, there's, you can see. No, it's not closing very well. Well, Majorette. That's not a good one. Oh, yeah. Look at that. No. There's a problem there. I don't know if there's plastic there or can see there's a kind of piece of plastic there right underneath the windshield. Maybe that's why it doesn't close. See, I don't like that. I like the color, but I don't like that. The hood does that. Oh man, that's ugly. That's really ugly. I don't like that. Nah. I'm picky on details, but this one it's kind of bummer. Yeah, I don't like that. See the hood, man. Come on. Doesn't close well. It's like the M2. Sometimes there's defect in them. Wobbles, wheels, and some pieces that broke in the package. This one, Majorette. You missed this one. Yeah. Come on. Okay. Enough of complaining. I like the color. I like the wheels. Really like the shiny. That's it. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and share.